No, don't worry, I'm filming the track. Good morning guys, welcome to the first of two train reviews. 185143 is what we've got today. Let's head to the front and get on board before it goes. Or we're gonna have to fast pace walk this. Oh, as we do them. Good. Keep going. I'm out of breath already. Oh good, we've got a cabin to ourselves. See what I can do?
What?
A review as well. I will do it when we set off. Yeah. I filmed the door shutting and when we set off I go and do it. So here we are guys on board 185142 I believe. The doors are now shutting. Nice monorail style doors. We've got that, we've got this is what normally is an onboard announcement thing. We're behind the driver so we might get a Darth Vader tone. So yeah. Let's see what else shall turn up, which should be on board now. Here we go. That's the AWS guys. And away we go. We're now leaving James Bond behind.
This is a Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport, calling at Thirsk, York, Leeds,
Dewsbury,
Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Manchester Oxford Road,
full of boxes.
Manchester Piccadilly, and Manchester Airport. The next stop will be Thirsk.
Interesting fact for you guys, in July 27th we're getting on one of these to the Manchester Airport's memorabilia fair. I think we're about ready for the famous scene. So yes guys, the famous scene will begin in a minute. Having a nice bounce about. Let's do this. If I don't yeah. Right. Take two. Go on. Okay. So here we are, guys, on the 185's loo review with me, Lewis Graham. So first of all, we've got a mirror waving at you guys. Hello. Oh boy, welcome to the loo review of today. So here we have a sink with soap. Oh Minnie, we love that. All in tip-top condition. And the bog as well. It is a very clean reform. Oh boy. So there you go, guys. The loo review. Thank you so much for joining. On with the rest of the review. Whee!
That's why some of them don't like.
Did you get that? Did you actually hear me doing the Mickey Mouse impression?
Is that what that was? That's curious what's going on.
What?
Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's just a picture.
This is a train review. I'd go all the way.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a god. Let the Darth Vader tone begin.
Got these 2 tickets for this too. Cheers, buddy. No worries. Just go on your right.
Yeah.
Good.
Hello.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good.
Getting off at thirsk. We're all getting off at thirsk.
Yeah, doing a train review, and hopefully I might get the Darth Vader tone off this train when it leaves. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Clock's up.
Yeah.
Is it in Middlesbrough?
Ripon.
So what's the train for at the moment? I guess you can have this video. as
What,
well.
this?
Yeah, tell us details about the train. Because you know so much.
Oh, that's easy. So this is a Class 185 diesel multiple unit built by Siemens, if I can say it. Siemens, I believe. Siemens at Siemens Depot. This is the only thing I don't know. There's quite a lot in its fleet, along with the brand new Nova, not really new, the Nova 2s, which are built at the Newton Aycliffe factory, and the Nova 3s that used to be with us that are not